Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Anyway, in our previous class, we have completed the ninth unit, and today we are going to learn a new topic, that is letter writing. In one of our previous classes, we have learned notice writing, isn't it? And I told you that it is an important topic in the writing section of our English question paper. Do you remember that? Yes. Like this, letter writing is also a very important topic in our English question paper. So today we are going to deal with the topic letter writing. Okay? Actually, what is a letter? Yes, a letter is a written message from one party to another containing information. Isn't it? And among various modes of communication, a letter is an important one as it enables us to communicate with people situated far off. Okay? And there are various forms of letters such as business letters, applications, social letters, official letters, industrial letters, etc. Is it clear, dears? Okay. Now, letters can be mainly classified into two categories. The first one is formal letters and the second one is informal letters. What is a formal letter? Yes, a formal letter is an official letter written to the higher authorities like to the editors, school principal, police commissioner. Okay? And it should be written in a formal language and follows a certain format. Okay. In case of formal letters, the person to whom you are addressing the letter is not a friend or any other person known to you. Your tone is full of respect, making use of formal words and sentences to create a nice impression on the recipient. Okay? Now, what is an informal letter? Yes, an informal letter is a personal letter written to friends and relatives, and it uses a casual or an emotional tone. It is written in a friendly manner. Okay? Do you get the difference between a formal letter and informal letter? A formal letter is an official letter, and an informal letter is a personal letter written to friends and relatives. Okay? Okay, dears, I hope the difference is clear for you. Now, let us have a look at the format of these letters. First, let us check the format of a formal letter. Okay? So, when we write a formal letter, on the left side of the page, just next to the margin, write the sender's address. And it should be in 2 to 3 lines like given in the box, that is 101 Shreya Bhavan, Kanpur. Okay? So, when you write a formal letter, first you have to write the sender's address. And you have to write the sender's address at the left side of the page, just near to the margin. Okay. After that, leave one line and then write the date. You can write the date like 18th February 2020. Okay. Next, after the date, leave one line and then write the receiver's address. Write it as given in the box, that is the editor, The Times of India, New Delhi. Is it clear? Okay. Then leave one line and write the subject. Here you have to mention the main purpose of the letter, and you can write it in 4 to 5 words. Okay? Subject of the letter. That means here you have to write the purpose of the letter. Okay? Then write the salutation after leaving one line. Salutation means how you want to greet, like sir or ma'am. Okay? Now, after leaving one line comes the main matter of your letter, that is content or body of the letter. Okay? After writing the content, leave one line and write the complimentary closing, like thanking you, and after that write yours truly or yours faithfully or yours sincerely, or you can write yours obediently, etc. Okay? Then at the end write the sender's name. Okay? Okay dears, so this is the format of a formal letter. Now let us look at an example of a formal letter. Okay? Okay dears, look at the question here. You are David, head boy of Christian Model School, Calicut. Write a letter to United Publishers, Calicut, asking them to send some good science books for your school library. Okay, now let us go through the letter. Okay, so first we have to write the sender's address. Who is the sender here? Yes, head boy, Christian Model School, Calicut. Isn't it? And after that we have to write the date, that is 10th February 2021. And after that we have to write the receiver's address, that is the United Publishers, Calicut. Okay? And after that we have to write the subject. What is the subject here? You can write the subject as order for new books. Okay? That is the purpose of the letter here. Isn't it? Okay. After that, write the salutation, that is, dear sir. Okay. Now, after that, we are moving on to the content or body of the letter. Okay. That is, you have been supplying books to our school library on different subjects. However, it is found that our library does not have many popular science books. You are therefore requested to send some good books at your earliest. As usual, kindly grant 20% discount on these books as you do on all the books supplied to the library. Please send the bill with the parcel of the books. The payment will be made through check within 3 weeks. With thanks, yours faithfully, David. Okay? Okay dears, so this is an example of a formal letter, an official letter. Okay. Now, let us check the format of an informal letter, a friendly letter. Okay, so when you write an informal letter, on the left side of the page, just next to the margin, like in the formal letter, write the sender's address. Okay? So after that, leave one line and then write the date. Okay? After writing the date, write the salutation. So here it will be like, dear friend, dear father, or dear Meena, or dear Ravi. Okay, it will be like that. After salutation, write the content or the body of the letter. Okay, so after that, write the closing. Here the closing will be like yours lovingly, or yours affectionately, or with lots of love. Okay, so after the closing, write the sender's name. So this is the format of an informal letter. Okay, so now let us go through an example. Okay dears, here we have a question. You are Navin or Nalini living at 250 Rajdhani Enclave, Trivandrum. Your uncle has presented a book to you on your birthday. Write a letter thanking your uncle for sending this valuable gift. So dears, this is the question. Now let us go through the letter. Okay. So at first we have the sender's address, that is 250 Rajdhani Enclave, Trivandrum. And after that the date is given there, that is 10th February 2021. And after that comes the salutation, that is my dear uncle. And after the salutation starts the content, that is, it is always a pleasure to hear from you. Last Friday was my 11th birthday. The same day I received your gift of a book along with your blessings. Thank you very much for this valuable gift. I have not read the entire book, but the little that I have read is highly useful and entertaining. I am sure the book will remain with me all my life. I thank you once again for the kind and useful gift. Yours affectionately, Navin. Okay dears, so this is an example of an informal letter. I hope it is clear for you. Okay then, it is time to wind up our class. So you can ask your doubts if you have any. Complete your notes based on the instructions in the PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day.